This initiative is very important, covering 100 important map-based questions for the coming up prelims examination of UPSC Civil Services. Try to watch this video multiple times and share to your friends. Let me start this session with the previous question, which was asked in 2020 prelims examination of UPSC Civil Services. The question reads that Siachen Glacier is situated to the options are east of Akshay Chin, east of Leh, north of Gilgit, north of Nubra Valley. To answer this question, we need to have the thorough knowledge about Jammu Kashmir region. I will show the map of Jammu Kashmir. Try to locate where the Siachen Glacier is. In this map, Siachen Glacier is here, Akshay Chin is here, Leh is here, and Gilgit is here. What are the options? The first option asks that east of Akshay Chin, east of Leh. Siachen Glacier is east side of Akshay Chin and east side of Leh. But it is not correct. Look at this. Siachen Glacier is west side of Akshay Chin. Look at the sides. This is west side, this is east side, south side and north side. So Siachen Glacier is west side of the Akshay Chin. But the option given that Siachen Glacier is east of Akshay Chin. So first statement is incorrect. Second option given that Siachen Glacier is east of Leh, but this is north of Leh, north side of the Leh. So second option also incorrect. Third option given that Siachen Glacier is north of Gilgit, but it is not north of Gilgit. Gilgit is here, Siachen Glacier is here. So Siachen Glacier is east side of Gilgit. So third option also incorrect. Hence we can say that fourth option, look at this. Nubra Valley is here, Siachen Glacier is here. Siachen Glacier is north side of the Nubra Valley. So the answer for this question is north of the Nubra Valley is the correct answer. This question also asked in the previous examination, like in 2019 prelims examination. Consider the following pairs. So the river drains into which sea? So the options are Mekong River drains into Andaman Sea, Thames River drains into Irish Sea, Volga drains into Caspian Sea, Zambezi drains into Indian Ocean. To answer this kind of questions, we should have the thorough knowledge regarding seas and rivers. I will show different maps. We'll get some idea where this Mekong, Thames, Volga and Zambezi drains into. Look at this first map here. This is the Mekong River. This is drains into which sea? This is the South China Sea, guys. South China Sea. The second option is Thames drains into Irish Sea. But this Thames Sea is drains into which one? North Sea. Not into Irish Sea. This is North Sea. So second option also incorrect. Third one is Volga drains into Caspian Sea. Where is Volga? This is Volga. Volga drains into Caspian Sea. This is correct option. And fourth one is Zambezi River drains into Indian Ocean. Look at the map. This is the Zambezi. Zambezi drains into, yes, Indian Ocean. Fourth one also correct. So third and fourth, these two are correct. Hence C is the correct answer. 3 and 4 only. Next question is Suez Canal lies in. Suez Canal lies in which of the following countries? Egypt, Turkey, Italy or Indonesia. So before going to answer this question, why I chosen this question means recently one of the famous ship, its name is Evergreen ship. This Evergreen ship is stuck in this Suez Canal. So no cargo or ship came to this Indian Ocean because of this Evergreen ship is stuck in the Suez Canal. That's why this question is very important for the exam point of view. Let me show the map here. Here the Suez Canal is coming from here. This is Mediterranean Sea and the Suez Canal is coming to this. Okay. Means the Suez Canal is located in which country? It is in Egypt. Hence the correct answer for this question is Suez Canal lies in Egypt. A is the correct answer. The first question reads Gulf of Aden lies between Yemen and Ethiopia, Somalia and Yemen, Djibouti and Sudan, Sudan and Saudi Arabia. I'll show the map of this Gulf of Aden. So try to locate where this Gulf of Aden lies. Look at this map and understand. Gulf of Aden is here. This is Arabian Sea. This is Red Sea. So it is in between of Yemen and Somalia. Where it is? Yemen and Somalia. So the second option B, Somalia and Yemen, is the correct answer. Next question reads, arrange the following seas from west to east. If you see the sides like this is west, this is east, north and south. West to east, from this side to this side. Timor Sea, Coral Sea, Arafura Sea. Timor, Coral, Arafura. Look at the map. Timor, Arafura, Coral. Timor, Arafura, Coral Sea. So from this side to this side, west to east side. Timor is first, Arafura is second, Coral is third. Timor, Arafura, Coral. So the answer is Timor, Arafura and Coral. So 1, 3, 2. The B option 1, 3, 2 is the correct answer for this question. Next question reads, arrange the following seas from north to south. North to south. Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne. Look at the map. Brisbane is here, Sydney is here, Melbourne is here. So north to south side. So Brisbane is first, Sydney is second, Melbourne is third. Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne. So Brisbane, Sydney and Melbourne. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer for this question. Next question reads, which of the following does not shares border with Austria? Hungary, France, Switzerland, Germany. Look at the map. Here the France is not sharing boundary with Austria. But this side Germany is there, Switzerland is there, Hungary is there. But France is not sharing border with the Austria. Hence the correct answer is France does not share border with Austria. So next question reads, Bab al-Mandab connects. Bab al-Mandab connects Red Sea and Black Sea, Red Sea and Gulf of Aden, Caspian Sea and Red Sea, Gulf of Aden and Persian Gulf. Look at the map. Bab al-Mandab. This is the Bab al-Mandab. It is here. So this connects Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. So the correct answer for this question is Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. B is the correct answer. Bab al-Mandab connects Red Sea and Gulf of Aden. Next question reads, Baffin Bay lies between. Baffin Bay maybe lies between Canada and USA, Canada and Greenland, Greenland and Iceland, North America and South America. Look at the map, guys. This is Baffin Bay. This side Greenland is there. This side Canada is there. So Baffin Bay is between Greenland and Canada. Hence the correct answer is B, that is Baffin Bay lies between Canada and Greenland. Next question reads, which of the following does not shares border with the Baltic Sea? Does not share border to the Baltic Sea. Sweden, Norway, Latvia, Estonia. Look at the Baltic Sea first. Where is the Baltic Sea? This is the Baltic Sea. So Finland is there, Estonia is there, Latvia is there, Lithuania is there, Poland, Denmark. Norway is not there. Sweden is there. Sweden is there, but Norway is not there. So the correct answer is, which of the following does not share border with the Baltic Sea? Means Norway does not share the border with the Baltic Sea. Remaining Sweden, Latvia, Estonia shares border with the Baltic Sea. Hence the correct answer is Norway does not share. Next question reads, arrange the following from east to west. Kara Sea, Barents Sea, Norwegian Sea. East to west. Look at this map. East to west means east to west. From this side, Kara Sea is first, Barents Sea is second, Norwegian Sea is third. First is Kara Sea, second is Barents Sea, third is Norwegian Sea. Kara Sea, Barents Sea, Norwegian Sea. Kara first, Barents second and Norwegian third. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. East to west. Next question reads, Bering Strait lies between Canada and Russia, USA and Russia, Canada and Mexico, Greenland and USA. Look at the map. So this is the Bering Strait. So it lies between, this side is Russia, this side, this is not Canada, guys. From here to here it is Alaska, which is belongs to US. So Bering Strait lies between US and Russia. So the correct answer is B, that is USA and Russia. Next question reads, which of the following does not shares border with Black Sea? Black Sea. Turkey, Romania, Azerbaijan, Georgia. Look at this. This is a Black Sea. Turkey is there border with Black Sea. Romania is there and Georgia is there, but Azerbaijan is not sharing border with the Black Sea. So Turkey is there, Georgia is there, Romania is there. Azerbaijan is not there with the Black Sea. Hence the correct answer is Azerbaijan does not share border with the Black Sea. C is the correct answer. Next question reads, Sea of Japan does not surrounded by North Korea, South Korea, Japan, China. So Sea of Japan does not surrounded by, look at that. This is a Sea of Japan. It is surrounded by North Korea, South Korea, Japan, and this Russia is there, not China. So China is not surrounded to this Sea of Japan. Hence the correct answer is Sea of Japan does not surrounded by China. D is the correct answer here. Next question reads, Caspian Sea is not surrounded by Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Iraq. So Caspian Sea is very important. We should understand what all the countries are surrounded by it. Look at this. Kazakhstan is there, Turkmenistan is there, Azerbaijan is there, but Iraq is not surrounded to this Caspian Sea. So Azerbaijan is there, Turkmenistan is there, Kazakhstan is there, but Iraq is not there. Hence the correct answer is Caspian Sea is not surrounded by Iraq. D is the correct answer. Next question reads, arrange the following seas from north to south. Sulu Sea, Celeb Sea, Banda Sea, north to south. Look at this. Sulu is first, Celeb Sea second, Banda is third, north to south. Sulu first, Celebs second, Banda Sea third. Sulu, Celebs and Banda. So Sulu first, Celeb second, Banda third. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer, north to south. Next question reads, Gibraltar lies between. Gibraltar lies between Portugal and Spain, Portugal and Morocco, Morocco and Spain, Spain and Algeria. So to answer this question, look at the map. Gibraltar. This is a Gibraltar where you can see here. This is lies between Spain and Morocco. Spain and Morocco. Gibraltar lies. Spain and Morocco. So C is the correct answer. Gibraltar lies between Morocco and Spain. C is the correct answer. Next question. Gulf of Bothnia lies between Sweden and Finland, Greenland and Finland, Denmark and Norway, Finland and Estonia. Here Gulf of Bothnia looks here. So it is between Sweden and Finland. Gulf of Bothnia lies between Sweden and Finland. It is in Baltic Sea. Gulf of Bothnia. So the correct answer is Sweden and Finland. Gulf of Bothnia lies between Sweden and Finland. Next question reads, arrange the following from north to south. Cuba, Caribbean Sea, Puerto Rico. Out of these, arrange them from north to south. Look at this. Cuba is first, next Puerto Rico, next Caribbean Sea. So Cuba first, Puerto Rico second, Caribbean Sea third. Cuba, Puerto Rico. So the first one is Cuba, next Puerto Rico, third is Caribbean Sea. So 1, 3, 2. D is the correct answer. Cuba, Puerto Rico and Caribbean Sea. Next question reads, Hungaroa. Hungaroa belongs to Brazil, Chile, USA, Argentina. Hungaroa is a small island. It belongs to which of the following countries? Hungaroa, look at this. This is the island Hungaroa. It is here. It is belongs to Chile. So the correct answer is Chile. Hungaroa belongs to Chile. B is the correct answer. Next question reads, Honolulu lies in. Honolulu lies in North Atlantic, North Pacific, Indian Ocean, South China Sea. Honolulu. Look at this. Honolulu is here. It is located in the North Pacific Ocean. Honolulu lies in North Pacific Ocean. Hence the correct answer is B, that is North Pacific. Next question. Strait of Hormuz. Strait of Hormuz connects Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman, Malacca and Java Sea, Arabian Sea and Gulf of Aden, Atlantic and Mediterranean Sea. Strait of Hormuz. Look at this. This is Strait of Hormuz. This is here. It is between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. Hence the correct answer is A, that is Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman, Strait of Hormuz. Next question, arrange the following from north to south. Tokyo, Kyoto, Nagasaki. So these are the small islands in the Japan. Tokyo, Kyoto and Nagasaki. Arrange them from north to south. Tokyo, Kyoto and Nagasaki. Which is first one in the north side? Tokyo, next Kyoto, next Nagasaki. Tokyo, Kyoto, Nagasaki. So Tokyo, Kyoto, Nagasaki. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct from north to south. Next question, Malacca Strait lies between Malaysia and Indonesia, Singapore and Japan, Japan and Korea, UAE and Iraq. Malacca Strait. Malacca Strait is here. This is Malacca Strait. It is between Malaysia and Indonesia. So this side, this is Indonesia, this is Malaysia. In between this we have Malacca Strait. Very important passage, Malacca Strait between Malaysia and Indonesia. A is the correct answer. Next question is, Mediterranean Sea does not surrounded by Greece, Tunisia, Jordan, Italy. So Mediterranean Sea does not shares boundary with which of the following country? Look at this. Greece is there, Italy is there, Tunisia is there, but Jordan is not sharing border with the Mediterranean Sea. So Italy is there, Greece is there, Tunisia is there, Jordan is not there. Hence the correct answer is Jordan does not shares border with the Mediterranean Sea. Next question reads, Mozambique Channel lies between Madagascar and Mozambique, Mozambique and Lakshadweep, Sri Lanka and India, Cuba and Puerto Rico. Mozambique Channel. Look at this. This is the Mozambique Channel. It is between Mozambique in the Africa and this side is Madagascar. So Mozambique Channel lies between Mozambique and Madagascar. Hence the correct answer is A, that is Madagascar and Mozambique. Next question, North Sea lies between Denmark and UK, France and Ireland, Ireland and England, Iran and Qatar. North Sea lies between. Look at this. This is the North Sea. It lies between UK and Denmark. So France is here, Ireland is here. So the correct answer is UK and Denmark. North Sea lies between Denmark and UK. A is the correct answer. 25th question, Pak Strait lies between maybe India and Sri Lanka, India and Bangladesh, India and Pakistan, Saudi Arabia and Iran. So Pak Strait is here guys. This is Pak Strait. It is in between India and Sri Lanka. This is the Pak Strait between India and Sri Lanka. Hence the correct answer is A, that is Sri Lanka and India. Pak Strait lies between India and Sri Lanka. 26th question, Persian Gulf not surrounded by. It means Persian Gulf does not share the boundary with which of the following countries? Yemen, Iran, Iraq, UAE. This region is very important for the exam point of view. Let's look at the map here. This is Persian Gulf. It is surrounded by Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, little bit Oman is there, but Yemen is not there. So Yemen is not sharing border with this Persian Gulf. Hence the answer for the question is Yemen. Persian Gulf not surrounded by Yemen. 27th question, Pitt Strait belongs to which of the following countries? New Zealand, Australia, Indonesia, Japan. This Pitt Strait is here. This is belongs to New Zealand guys. This one. So it belongs to New Zealand. Hence the correct answer is A, that is New Zealand. 28th question reads, which of the following is not bordered to Red Sea? Which of the following is not sharing the boundary with Red Sea? Eritrea, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Egypt. Look at the map here. Saudi Arabia is there, Eritrea is there, Egypt is there, but Iraq is not there to this Red Sea. Hence the correct answer is Iraq does not share boundary with the Red Sea. Next question reads, which of the following is not bordered to South China Sea? Which is not bordered to South China Sea? Philippines, Vietnam, Laos, Taiwan. Look at the map and understand. This is South China Sea. Taiwan is there, Philippines is there, Vietnam is there, but Laos is not border to the South China Sea. So Laos is not there. Hence the correct answer is C, that is Laos not sharing the border to South China Sea. 30th question, which of the following is not border to Switzerland? Very important, Switzerland, because of bezel. So France, Italy, Germany, Belgium, out of these given options, which is not sharing border to Switzerland? France, Italy, Germany, Belgium. Look at this, France is there and Germany is there, boundary with Switzerland. This side Italy is there, but Belgium is not there. Belgium is here, it is not sharing border with this Switzerland. So hence the correct answer for this is Belgium. D is the correct answer. Next question, Tasman Sea lies between Australia and New Zealand, Indonesia and Malaysia, Europe and Africa, North America and South America. Tasman Sea, where is the Tasman Sea? This is Tasman Sea. This is in between New Zealand and Australia. Hence we can say the correct answer is Australia and New Zealand. Next question reads, Torres Strait lies between Australia and New Zealand, Iraq and UAE, Australia and Papua New Guinea, Norway and Estonia. Torres Strait, this is the Torres Strait. It is in between this Papua New Guinea and Australia. This is the Torres Strait. The correct answer is Australia and Papua New Guinea. Next question, arrange the following from north to south. Manchester, Glasgow, Sheffield. Here Glasgow is there, Manchester and Sheffield. North to south means first Glasgow, next Manchester, after that Sheffield. So Glasgow, Manchester, Glasgow, Sheffield. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer from north to south. 34th question reads, Bolivia is not bordered by, or simply I can say Bolivia does not share border with Chile, Peru, Brazil, Uruguay. Look at this. This is Bolivia. It is sharing border with Brazil, Peru, Chile and Paraguay. So it is not sharing border with Colombia or Guyana, Suriname or Uruguay. It is not sharing border with Uruguay. Hence the correct answer is Uruguay is not sharing border with Bolivia. 35th question, arrange the following from north to south. Costa Rica, Panama, Guatemala. Look at this. Costa Rica is here, Panama is here and Guatemala is here. Which is first north side is Guatemala, next Costa Rica, next Panama. First one is Guatemala and second Costa Rica. Guatemala first, Costa Rica second, Panama third. So 3, 1, 2. This is the correct answer. Next question reads, which of the following is not a landlocked country? This kind of questions are very important. Landlocked countries, Chad, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Angola. These all are the countries of Africa. Look at this. Chad is landlocked, Zimbabwe is landlocked, Botswana is landlocked, but Angola is not landlocked. It is open to the sea. Hence the correct answer for this question is Angola is not a landlocked country. Next question reads, arrange the following from north to south. Kazakhstan, Syria, Uzbekistan. Kazakhstan is here and Uzbekistan is second, Syria is third. So north to south, first is Kazakhstan, next is Uzbekistan, third is Syria. Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, next Syria. So 1, 3, 2. C is the correct answer. 38th question, Afghanistan is not bordered by Tajikistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan. Look at the map. Afghanistan is here. It is sharing border with Iran, Pakistan, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan. But the question is Tajikistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Kyrgyzstan. Look at this. Kyrgyzstan is not sharing border with the Afghanistan. Hence the correct answer is Kyrgyzstan. D is the correct answer. Next question. Arrange the following from west to east. Java Sea, Timor Sea, Bismarck Sea. West to east means this is the west side. Java Sea first, next Timor Sea, next Bismarck Sea. See, first is Java, second is Timor, third is Bismarck. Java Sea is the first, Timor is second, Bismarck is third. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. 40th question, Dead Sea. This is Dead Sea is not bordered by Israel, Jordan, Syria, none of the above. Look at the Dead Sea. This is a Dead Sea. So it is here. It is bordering with Israel, Jordan, but not with Syria. Hence we can say that Dead Sea is not bordered by Syria. C is the correct answer. This is very important. Lake Victoria is not in. Lake Victoria is covering some of the countries: Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda. Look at the map here. So this is Lake Victoria. So it is in Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania, but Rwanda is not there in Lake Victoria. Hence we can say the answer is Rwanda. D is the correct answer. Lake Victoria is not covering in Rwanda. Next question, Hulum Lake belongs to which of the following countries? China, Mongolia, Laos, India. Hulum Lake belongs to which of the following countries? Look at the map and understand. This is Hulum Lake. It is here. This Hulum Lake is in China only, not Mongolia, not Russia. It is in China only. Hence the correct answer is China. Hulum Lake belongs to China. Next question, which of the following is not sharing the border with Afghanistan? India, Iran, Turkmenistan, Iraq. Look at this. Afghanistan shares border with India, Pakistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, this side Uzbekistan, but Iraq is not sharing border with Afghanistan. Hence we can say the correct answer is Iraq. Next question, Iraq does not share border with Jordan, Syria, Iran, Azerbaijan. Iraq. So this is also very important country, Iraq. So Syria is there, Jordan is there, Saudi Arabia is there, Iran is there, but Azerbaijan is not there. Hence the correct answer is Azerbaijan, D. 45th question, which of the following is a landlocked country? Zimbabwe, Namibia, Angola, Mozambique. Just now we seen that Zimbabwe is one of the landlocked country. Hence the correct answer is Zimbabwe. 46th question, which of the following is a landlocked country? Mali, Tunisia, Somalia, Ghana. Look at the landlocked country here. Mali is a landlocked country, but Ghana is not landlocked. Angola is not landlocked. Morocco is not landlocked. Mali is the landlocked country out of these. A is the correct answer. 47th question, Belarus does not share border with Belarus. Belarus does not share border with Poland, Latvia, Ukraine, Serbia. Look at the map here. Belarus shares border with Lithuania, Latvia, Russia, and this is Ukraine, Poland. But the question asked that Ukraine, Latvia, Poland and Serbia. Look at the Serbia. Where is Serbia? This is Serbia. Serbia is not sharing border with Belarus. Hence the correct answer is D, that is Serbia. 48th question, which of the following lies in the south? Out of given things like Cairo, Istanbul, Austria, Serbia. Out of these four, which lies south? Cairo, Istanbul, Austria, Serbia. Look at this. Where is Cairo? This is Cairo. Istanbul. Where is Istanbul? Turkey. This is Istanbul. And what else we have? Austria and Serbia. Where is Austria? This is Austria. And this is Serbia. So this and this one. Cairo stays south out of all these four. Hence the correct answer is Cairo. A is the correct answer. 49th question. France does not share border with Switzerland, Belgium, Germany, Portugal. France does not share border with Switzerland, Belgium, Germany. Look at this. Belgium it is okay. Germany it is okay. Switzerland it is okay. Italy it is okay. Spain it is okay. But whatever the fourth one, Portugal is there. Portugal is not sharing boundary with the France. In the middle, Spain is there. Hence the correct answer is Portugal. D is the correct answer. 50th question. 50th question. Russia does not share border with Mongolia, Kazakhstan, Finland, Iraq. Look at this. This is Russia. So here Mongolia is there, Kazakhstan is there, and some other things like Finland and Iraq. Where is Finland? This is Finland, and Iraq is there. This is Iraq. Iraq is not sharing boundary with the Russia. Hence the correct answer is D, that is Iraq. Next question. China does not share border with Bhutan, Myanmar, Mongolia, Turkmenistan. China playing a vital role. That's why based on China we can expect a question. Look at the map here. China is having Mongolia, Myanmar, Bhutan, Nepal, Kyrgyzstan. The options are Bhutan, Myanmar, Mongolia, Turkmenistan. Where is Turkmenistan here? Turkmenistan is not there connected with this China. Hence the correct answer is D, that is Turkmenistan does not share border with China. 52nd question. Which of the following lies in southernmost? Yokohama, Kyushu, Shikoku, Niigata. So out of these four, which lies southernmost? Yokohama, Kyushu. Look at this. Yokohama. Where is Kyushu? Kyushu is here. And Hiroshima is here. Kyoto is here. Osaka. Niigata is here. Osaka is here. Out of all the options, look at this. Yokohama, Kyushu, Shikoku, Niigata. Shikoku. Kyushu is there. Kyushu is southernmost than all. Hence the correct answer for this question is Kyushu. B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following lies in the easternmost? Hiroshima, Nagasaki, Hyogo, Shiga. Look at the map. Where is Hiroshima? Hiroshima is here. Nagasaki, it is here. And what else? The question. Hyogo and Shiga. Where is Hyogo and Shiga? Shiga is here. Hyogo is here. The question asked for easternmost. This side is west, this side is east. So Shiga is the correct answer for this. Hence the correct answer is D, that is Shiga. 54th question. Arrange the following from west to east. Lakshadweep Sea, Andaman Sea, Gulf of Thailand. Arrange these from west to east. Lakshadweep Sea. This is Lakshadweep Sea, Gulf of Thailand, and South China Sea, Andaman Sea. The options are Lakshadweep Sea, Andaman Sea, and Gulf of Thailand. Lakshadweep Sea, Andaman Sea, and Gulf of Thailand. Question asked that arrange the following from west to east. West to east means from this side. Lakshadweep is first, Andaman is second, Gulf of Thailand is third. First, second, third. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Next question. Brazil does not share border with Bolivia, Paraguay, Ecuador, Colombia. Look at the map here. Colombia is there, Bolivia is there, Paraguay is there, but Ecuador is not sharing border with the Brazil. Hence the correct answer is which one? Ecuador is not sharing border with Brazil. Next question. Arrange the following from west to east. Suriname, Guyana, Costa Rica, Panama. Look at the map here. Suriname is here, Guyana is here, Panama is here, Costa Rica is here. West to east. First Costa Rica, next Panama, Guyana, and Suriname is last. Costa Rica, Panama. So Costa Rica first, Panama second, 3, 4. Costa Rica, Panama, and Guyana, Suriname. So the answer for this question is first is Costa Rica, 3 and 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1. This one, D is the correct answer. Next question. Arrange the following from north to south. Manado, Makassar, Jakarta. So Manado, Makassar, Jakarta. Manado, Makassar, and Jakarta. So this is first, this is second, this is third. So Manado, Makassar, Jakarta. So 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. North to south. Next question. Arrange the following from west to east. Lakshadweep Sea, Java Sea, Gulf of Thailand. So where is Lakshadweep Sea? This is Lakshadweep Sea. This is Java Sea. This is Gulf of Thailand. West to east means first Lakshadweep Sea, next Gulf of Thailand. So Lakshadweep Sea is first, Gulf of Thailand is second, Java Sea is third. Hence we can see 132 is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Next question reads, which of the following countries lies between Caspian Sea and Black Sea? These two seas are very very important. Russia, Georgia, Azerbaijan. Look at the Caspian Sea. This is Caspian Sea. This is Black Sea. In the middle of this, Russia is there, Georgia is there, Azerbaijan is there. Hence the correct answer is 1, 2, 3. A is the correct answer. Next question. Sea of Azov lies near to the Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea, Mediterranean Sea. Look at this. Sea of Azov is here. This is very near to the Black Sea. This is Caspian Sea, this is Mediterranean Sea, this is Red Sea. So Sea of Azov is near to the Black Sea. Hence the correct answer is B, that is Black Sea. Next question reads, Tyrrhenian Sea located in Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea or Mediterranean Sea? Tyrrhenian Sea lies, this is located in Mediterranean Sea. Hence the correct answer is D, that is Mediterranean Sea. 62nd question, which of the following lies in the southernmost? Ionian Sea and Adriatic Sea. Look at the map. Adriatic Sea in the north, Ionian Sea in the south. So the southernmost is Ionian Sea. One only. Next question. Aegean Sea lies in Caspian Sea, Black Sea, Red Sea or Mediterranean Sea? Aegean Sea, this is very important. It is lies in Mediterranean Sea, not in Black Sea. So the correct answer is D, that is Mediterranean Sea. 64th question. Sea of Marmara lies between Caspian Sea and Black Sea, Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea, Red Sea and Arabian Sea, none of the above. Sea of Marmara, it lies here. This is in the middle of Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So the correct answer is Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. B is the correct answer. 65th question. Chukchi Sea. Chukchi Sea lies in Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Indian Ocean or Atlantic Ocean? Look at the map. This is the Chukchi Sea. This is in Arctic Ocean. Hence the correct answer is B, that is Arctic Ocean. Next question. Arrange the following from west to east. Lake Michigan, Lake Ontario, Lake Huron, Lake Superior. These all are the famous lakes in North America. Arrange them from west to east. Look at this. Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Ontario. First Superior, next Michigan, next Huron. Look at this. What is first? First is Superior, next is Michigan. Superior first, Michigan is second. Third is Huron, Ontario is fourth. So 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 2. B is the correct answer. 67th question. Lake Albert lies in Uganda, Wales, New York, Indonesia. Lake Albert is very famous. This is in Uganda. So the correct answer is A, that is Uganda. Idar Lake lies in Kenya, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Brazil. Idar Lake, very important. This is located in Uzbekistan. This is the Idar Lake. Hence the correct answer is B, that is Uzbekistan. 69th question. Netherlands bordered to Caspian Sea, North Sea, Mediterranean Sea or Baltic Sea. Netherlands open to which of the following sea? Look at the map. Netherlands open to the North Sea. Hence the correct answer is B, that is North Sea. 70th question. Which of the following countries shares border with Mediterranean Sea? From this Mediterranean Sea we can expect a question. That's why Italy, Tunisia, Spain and Turkey. Out of these, which are sharing border with the Mediterranean Sea? Look at the map here. Italy is there, Tunisia is there, Spain is there. From this side Turkey is there, Greece is there. Hence we can say Italy, Tunisia, Spain and Turkey all are sharing the border with the Mediterranean Sea. 71st question. Which of the following shares border with Mediterranean Sea as well as Black Sea? Maybe Turkey, Syria, Austria, France. Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea. Look at this. Turkey is sharing border with the Black Sea as well as Mediterranean Sea. Hence the correct answer is Turkey. 72nd question. Arrange the following from the west to east. Seoul, Kabul, Ankara. We know Seoul is South Korea's capital city. Kabul is Afghanistan. Ankara is Turkey's. Look at the maps here. This is Seoul in South Korea, and Kabul is in Afghanistan, and we know this Ankara is in Turkey. So all together we can see this is Seoul, South Korea, Kabul, Afghanistan, and Turkey, Ankara. So the question asked that west to east. West to east means west side is this Turkey. Ankara is first, Kabul is second, Seoul is third. Ankara, Kabul. Look at this. Ankara, Kabul. So 3, 2, 1. B is the correct answer. Arrange the following from north to south. Kaveri, Krishna, Tapati. These are very famous rivers in south. So north to south. Kaveri, Krishna, Tapati. Look at this. Tapati, Krishna, Kaveri. North side Tapati, southernmost Kaveri. Tapati first. So Tapati, Krishna, Kaveri. So 3, 2, 1. B is the correct answer. Which of the following flows western side? Krishna, Godavari, Mahanadi, Narmada. If you observe this Indian map, Narmada and Tapati flowing to the western side. Remaining all are going to eastern side. So Narmada, Tapati. Out of given options, Narmada is there which flows western side. 75th question. Arrange the following from north to south. Sutlej, Ravi, Jhelum. This area is very important. So look at the map and understand here. Jhelum, Ravi, Sutlej. So northern side is Jhelum, second is Ravi and Sutlej. So Jhelum, Ravi, Sutlej. So 3, 2, 1. B is the correct answer. 75th question. Arrange the following from north to south. Sutlej, Ravi, Jhelum. This area is very important. So look at the map and understand here. Jhelum, Ravi, Sutlej. So northern side is Jhelum, second is Ravi and Sutlej. So Jhelum, Ravi, Sutlej. So 3, 2, 1. B is the correct answer. Next question reads, arrange the following from north to south. Periyar, Kanha, Carbet. Look at the map. Where is Periyar? Periyar, Kanha and Carbet. Out of these three, Carbet is north side, Periyar is south side. So the question is north to south. So which is north? Carbet, and last is Periyar. 3, 2, 1. B is the correct answer here. 77th question reads, arrange the following from north to south. Ajanta Caves, Fatehpur Sikri, Hampi. These are very important. Look at this. Ajanta Caves, Fatehpur Sikri, Hampi. Which is north side? Fatehpur Sikri is north, Hampi is south side. So Fatehpur Sikri first and second Ajanta Caves, third Hampi. So 2, 1, 3. C is the correct answer here. Next question reads, arrange the following from north to south. Very easiest question. Patna belongs to Bihar, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Hyderabad, Telangana. So arrange these from north to south. Look at this. Patna is in Bihar, Bhubaneswar in Odisha, and Hyderabad is in Telangana. So north side Bihar, next to Odisha, next to Telangana, that is Hyderabad. So this is south side. Hence we can say that Bihar, Patna is first, second Bhubaneswar, third Hyderabad. 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer. Important question. Which of the following is not in Sahara Desert? South Africa, Chad, Mali. Look at the map here. This is Sahara Desert. Here Mali is there, Chad is there, but South Africa is not there. Hence we can say this one only. South Africa is not in Sahara Desert. 80th question. 80th question. Arrange the following from north to south. Mundra, Tuticorin, Paradip. So where is Mundra here? Mundra is here, and Paradip is here, and next Tuticorin is here. So arrange these from north to south. So Mundra is first, Paradip is second, and Tuticorin is third. So hence we can say Mundra first, Tuticorin second, and Paradip third. Is that correct? Eightieth question. Arrange the following from north to south. Mundra, Tuticorin, Paradip. So these are very important port areas. Mundra is here, Paradip is here, and Tuticorin is here. So Mundra to the north side and Tuticorin to the south side. So first is Mundra and Tuticorin is south side. So 1, 3, 2. D is the correct answer. Very important question. How many states of India have sea coast? Look at the map and understand here. Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. Total 9 states having sea coast. Hence we can say B is the correct answer. 82nd question. Which of the following countries does not falls into the golden crescent? This is very important. So options are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Iran and Saudi Arabia. Look at the map. Iran, Afghanistan and Pakistan. These three are there in the golden crescent, but Saudi Arabia is not there. Hence we can say this D, Saudi Arabia does not fall in the golden crescent. Next important question. Which of the following countries does not falls into golden triangle? Very important. Thailand, Laos, India, Burma. Look at the map and understand here. This is a golden triangle. Laos is there, Burma, Myanmar is there, Thailand is there, but here India is not there in this golden triangle. Hence we can say India is not falls into that golden triangle. 84th question reads, Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states in India? Very important. Tropic of Cancer. Look at this line is Tropic of Cancer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So Tropic of Cancer passing through 8 states. Hence we can say B is the correct answer here. 85th question. Which of the following is not an African Horn country? Africa Horn countries. Somalia, Ethiopia, Saudi Arabia, Eritrea. Look at the map. This yellow colored one is the Horn of Africa. Eritrea is there, Somalia is there, Ethiopia is there, but Saudi Arabia is not there in Horn of Africa. So we can say this Saudi Arabia is the right answer for this. Next important question. Mekong River does not passes through Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia, Bangladesh. Here we can see this blue colored one is the Mekong River. It is passing through Laos. This is Myanmar and Cambodia, Thailand, but Bangladesh is not there. Hence we can say from the Tibetan Plateau the river Mekong River runs through China, Myanmar, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, but that Bangladesh is not there. Hence we can say this D is the correct answer for this question. 87th question. Ganga River does not flow through. Ganga River does not pass through Allahabad, Kanpur, Calcutta, Lucknow. Look at the map and understand. Kanpur is there, Allahabad is there, Calcutta is there, but Lucknow is not there. Hence we can say this D is the correct answer. Next question. How many countries shares border with India? So this is a bit important question. Look at this. Pakistan is there, Afghanistan is there, China is there, Nepal is there, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Sometimes people can say Sri Lanka also is there. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 countries are sharing border with India. C is the correct answer. 89th question. Arrange the following from east to west. Java Sea, Solomon Sea, Timor Sea. Look at this. Java Sea is here, Timor Sea is here, Solomon Sea is here. Question asked that east to west. So Solomon first and Java last. Hence we can say Solomon first and Java is last. So 2, 3, 1. C is the correct answer. 90th question. Arrange the following from west to east. Urmia Lake, Isikul, Lake Baikal. Look at the map. Lake Baikal is here. Isikul is here. Lake Urmia is here. The question asked that west to east. West to east means Urmia is first, Lake Baikal is last. Urmia first, Isikul second, and Lake Baikal third. Hence we can say A is the correct answer. 1, 2, 3. 91st question. Arrange the following from north to south. Barents Sea, Norwegian Sea, North Sea. Here Barents Sea is here, Norwegian Sea is here, North Sea is here. So Barents first, this North Sea is last. So Barents is the first, second Norwegian, North third. Hence we can say 1, 2, 3 is the correct answer for this arrangement of north to south side. 92nd question. Arrange the following from south to north. South to north, don't get confused. Lake Chad, Lake Victoria, Lake Nyasa. Look at this. Victoria, Lake Chad is here, Lake Nyasa is here, and Lake Victoria is here. So south to north means south side is Lake Nyasa, next to Victoria, next to Chad. So Nyasa first. Nyasa, Victoria, Chad. So 3, 2, 1. B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not belongs to Australia? Bunga Island, Victoria, Queensland. Look at this. Queensland belongs to Australia. New South Wales, Victoria is there. South Australia, Northern Territory, Western Australia. But Bunga Island is not belongs to Australia. So 1 only. 94th question. Which of the following is not sharing border with Arctic Ocean? Canada, USA, Russia, Poland. Very simple. This side Canada is there, USA is there, Russia is there, but Poland is not there. Hence we can say the correct answer is D, that is Poland. 95th question. Which of the following does not share border with Caspian Sea? Very important, this Caspian Sea, Red Sea, Black Sea and Mediterranean Sea. So Caspian Sea does not share the border with Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, Uzbekistan. Look at the map. This is the Caspian Sea. Kazakhstan is there, Turkmenistan is there, Iran is there, but Uzbekistan is not there. Hence we can say Uzbekistan does not share border with the Caspian Sea. 96th question. Arrange the following from south to north. South to north. Tinago Falls, Gitgit Falls and Banjiok Waterfall. Tinago, Gitgit. Tinago is here, Gitgit is here and Banjiok here. So south to north. South side is Gitgit. Gitgit first, next Tinago. So Gitgit and Tinago. So 2, 1, 3. Hence we can see C is the correct answer. South side Gitgit is there, and next Tinago is there, and next Banjiak is there. So 2, 1, 3. C is the correct answer. Same question. Arrange the following from south to north. South to north. So try to understand whether he is asking south to north or north to south or west to east or east to west. 3 falls are there. Lo-Fi Falls, Hovik Falls, Sipi Falls. Lo-Fi. Where is Lo-Fi? This is Hovik. This is Lo-Fi Falls. And this is Sipi Falls. Ask that south to north. South side Hovik Falls are there. Hovik, Lo-Fi, Sipi. Hovik, Lo-Fi and Sipi. So 2, 1, 3. Hence C is the correct answer. 98th question. Arrange the following from north to south. So Ruby Falls, Niagara Falls, Cumberland Falls. North to south here. Niagara Falls, Cumberland Falls and Ruby Falls. Niagara north side and Ruby south side. 2, 3, 1. C is the correct answer. 2, 3, 1. First Niagara is north side, next Cumberland Falls, next Ruby Falls. Next question very important. Mariana Trench, very deepest one. So Mariana Trench lies near to Philippines, Japan, Australia, Canada. So Mariana Trench, look at this. This is a Mariana Trench. It is near to the Philippines, not to Japan or not to Australia or some other. So it is near to the Philippines. Hence we can see Mariana Trench lies near to the Philippines. A is the correct answer. 100th question. Which of the following is the longest of the national highways in India? Which of the following is the longest of the national highways in India? National Highway 1, National Highway 7, National Highway 44, National Highway 6. Look at these. National Highway 44 is 3745 kilometers. Next, National Highway 27 is 3507 kilometers. So remaining all are under 3000 only. The highest is National Highway 44. Hence we can say this National Highway 44 is the longest in India. So C is the correct answer. All the best guys for the upcoming examination. On June 27th you have the prelims 2021. Hence this is my suggestion. If you can watch this video, try to share to your friends. Watch multiple times. This is very much useful video for your map based questions in the coming up prelims examination. All the best. Signing off. This is your Mahesh.